Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you uppercut. Left and right, uppercut. Uppercut can be blocking purpose or slide purpose. It's just a different direction. When something coming up, uppercut, opposite parry. Parry, bigger motion. It can be slow motion too. So I'll come to the basic of how you use your wrist. So the direction-wise for uppercut, just like what we teach before, finding the uppercut point. If right here I can see the straightforward, and I'm gonna set up my uppercut maybe around this 45 uppercut angle and start using the force. Just like when we do a parry, it's the opposite direction. You still have to find the line straight. And using the waist, set up your foot and using your waist, parry, uppercut to the left, uppercut to the right, left and right. Using the left hand to match, don't off the center. You see my uppercut point is always right here. Do never do too early. If it's too early, what happens is you're gonna cut the floor. For sure. You're adding power too early, you can cut in the floor. So once you're past the floor, you see my holding the sword and going up. Passing the sword, a floor, uppercut. From the profile, take a look. Once you're passing the floor, release, cut. Passing the floor, release and cut. Uppercut, uppercut. Liao Jian. Okay. And then Liao Jian can be get into blocking too. That's the next technique I'm going to teach you is block. For blocking purpose, from the shape, you can see I'm uppercutting and blocking at the same time. My wrist has to be super nice and stable on the handle. Make sure that I have a force. I can blocking something coming from outside. Or I can pushing something away. Away. You see that? If you're pushing something away, please move your head off the center. Okay? If something coming up. But that bottom line is two things. One is the line has to be straight. Two is the wrist. You have to practice your wrist to get the small muscle developing in your hand. And over the time, for big parry, uppercut, all those big motion, but once you go to the small motion, such as blocking, point, all those small muscles were developing in your ankle. Those are the muscles you really need for the smaller range movement. So let's practice with me. Uppercut, 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 and block. Reset. 1, 2, 1, and block. From the profile, take a look. You want to pay attention for the blocking point and uppercut point. Uppercut, 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 point. Also can be blocking, 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 point. And if you want to go and for pushing out, the body motion has to change. Uppercut, uppercut, watch. Oh wait, see if by my upper body motion, you can see I'm practicing cutting and parry for something to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, away. 1, 2, 3, away. You see, there are many ways for you to combine all the basics together and to using in a different way. And now we're going to practice with something coming at you and how you're going to parry away. Now, how to practice at home. You can stepping in, you can stabilize yourself and then do circles and practice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uppercut, Liao, okay. But if you want to walking forward, keep pushing forward. You have to 1, 2, 1, 2, back and forth and back and forth, back and forth and back and forth, and boom. You see my left leg is right leg is keep rotate. You can also do 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Step 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and boom, ba, into next move. You can do ba, 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 ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, ba. Step, 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 step. The key is always find your center. Either way, practice back and forth. Make hundreds of uppercuts, walking back and forth. You will get a perfect body motion for uppercut. Now let's come to something coming at you. We're gonna block uppercut, uppercut. Okay, and away. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Stop. One more time. Ready? Action. 1, 2, 3. But you see, you can parry away and you can also block. So either way. And it's very useful and it's pretty fun. You can practice with your friend and back and forth and to get the technique right. Thanks for watching and look out for my next tutorials.